hold on. This transit is departing for the airside terminal for concourses A, B, C, and D. Please exit. This is the final stop for all airside connections for concourses A, B, C, and D.
I have. I think I'm going to move into the Pennsylvania.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like a 2-minute walk to work.
I know. So I went over there on Friday.
And group 5, please, for
Try and fit it. If it doesn't
Washington
fit,
Dallas.
put
Group
that
5.
green tag and get it right when you get off again.
Hi, how are you? Welcome aboard.
Good, how are you?
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of United Express and Republic Airlines, we'd like to welcome you aboard flight number 4883.
Just finishing up last group paperwork. Get the bags loaded up, be underway once airborne. Please enjoy the flight and welcome aboard.